Okay, so here's the thing. I can solve Rubik's Cubes. This isn't a Rubik's Cube. No, it's a... I don't remember what these things are called. Like a mirror cube. Some people call it a bump cube, I think. I don't know. But, anyway. I can solve Rubik's Cubes. I think a lot of people can nowadays. It's like a thing people are into. I did it before it was cool. I don't know. I have like a collection of 200 different types of cubes. But that's not the point of this video. The point is, this is one of those shape-shifting things. So like you mess it up and it gets all, weird. It's the exact same thing as a regular Rubik's Cube, just instead of colors, it's shapes. So like that, and it's all messed up now. I solved it blindfolded twice, like 6 years ago. So I'm going to try to do it again. If this is not the video that you want to see, scroll away. Scroll. This is TikTok, unless I'm posting it on TikTok, but I'm not, because this video is going to be way longer than it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and give it a real good mess here. Not that that's the thing. A lot of people think that, like, oh, this is a good scramble. There's no such thing as a good scramble or a bad scramble, But anyway, here we go. This is what I'm dealing with. You're not going to help me to look at it, so you're probably wondering, where is your blindfold? Or maybe you're not wondering that, but I'm... Wait. It's super thin, but if I fold it a bunch of times, it'll get thicker, because that's how this stuff works. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I can see a tiny little bit out of here, like just the smallest little bit, but I would have to hold it like right here to be able to see anything, so you'll know if I'm cheating. I'm actually kind of nervous. Not that anything's at stake here, but okay. This is going to be a quiet video, so you can do your homework while you're watching. I don't fucking know. Maybe I'll put some nice background music on. Anyway, I'm going to start the solve. Maybe I'll put a timer somewhere. I don't know how to edit videos yet. Okay. I solve using beginner's method, and I've been solving cubes for 7 years. Shoot me. Don't actually shoot me. But, yeah, I solve using beginner's method. I never wanted to learn F2L, because I don't know. I don't really care that much about solving cubes. I just kind of like the different types of puzzles there are. Anyway, I'm going to continue. twisted around and around. That's the top layer done, I think. I sure hope I'm holding this to the camera. If not, this whole video's a wash. That would suck. Okay, now time for second. Look at that. That's 2 layers done. Just got this top layer left, baby. Okay, we have... Let's fucking go. Yeah, bitch. Less than 10 minutes? That's crazy. That's nice. That's nice. I hope that was all in frame. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.